What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie, and as you can see behind me, we got my baby, the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body. Yes, sir. And as you guys can see in the title, man, we are going to be doing an install here today / unboxing of a little mod for the exterior here that is really going to make a big difference, man. I could tell you already, I haven't even put them on yet, but I could tell you already it's gonna make a big difference. It's something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, and actually got presented with an opportunity that I'm very grateful for, man. Now, this is a mod that I've been looking to do for quite some time now, and quite frankly, it's something that you should do right away, man, because it's gonna add a lot to the outside of your vehicle. You guys are gonna see right now. I could already tell you, I haven't even put them on yet, but I already know. And it's a very easy mod to do, just real quick, plug and play. Anybody can do it. So as you guys know, if you're familiar with the content, we do a lot of this over here, DIY installs, a lot of mods, anything and everything that I can do myself, I will do myself, and I'll show you guys how to do it as well, take you along the journey with me. And you know, this isn't all we do. We do a lot of runs in Mexico. I do like to test this baby out, see how she does against her competitors and against other Mopars as well. We do a whole lot of stuff over here, everything including cars. This is an automotive channel, so you know, it all includes different type of cars, not just Mopar. We do Ford, Chevy, all type of different stuff, man. I'm in a car club and we have a whole bunch of different type of vehicles, JDM, Ford, Chevy, like I said, trucks. So there's a lot that you guys can look forward to from my channel. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below, tell me what I can improve on, and tell me what you guys want to see next. I'll be sure to get it done for you. But without further ado, like I said before, man, let's get right into this mod and show you guys what it is, unbox it, and see what it looks like. As you guys can see here, we got a little box, Diode Dynamics. Hopefully I'm saying that right, Diode Dynamics. You know what I'm saying? They hit me up and they asked me if I wanted to, you know, be a part of this new little mod that they had coming out, and it just dropped this past Monday. So we're gonna open this up, see what it is, and then go from there. All right, man, so let's go ahead and pop this open. As I said, once again, big shout out to Diode Dynamics for hooking me up and sending this out. You guys see it, priority mail, 2 days, so I do appreciate that greatly. But let's open this thing up, man, and see what we working with. See what they sent the kid. Oh, okay, we got some sunglasses. All right, I see it. Oh, we got a couple stickers. I like that. You know we like stickers. That's at least 5 horsepower extra on each sticker. So yeah, we're gonna keep those. Oh, got the little lanyard. Okay. Oh, and a wrist lanyard. I see you guys, appreciate that. All right, let's see what we working with here, man. The diode difference. It's research, development, and this is what everything that they sent me here. But before we get into that, let's just take a look at what they actually sent me. It's a box inside another box. Boom, there it is, guys. The Diode Dynamics LED side markers. And these ones are the smoked side markers. Yes, sir, as you guys can see, they're smoked. And this is for the year 2015 plus for the Dodge Chargers. And obviously, as you guys can see, it is compatible with the wide body, or as you guys will see. But before we go ahead and get to this install, let's just I just want to show you guys a little bit of, you know, what this is, what it comes with, the features. As you guys can see, modern LED replacements for factory 2015 plus Dodge Charger side markers. Increased output with full strip of LEDs. You know what I'm saying? We do like the LED. Plug and play installation, no modifications needed, so it is going to be pretty quick and easy. Anyone can do it. It's going to be a little more difficult on the rear because we have less room, but I think we could get it without having to remove the tire. It does come with the OEM fit and finish, OEM grade retroflector optics, and engineered and assembled in the USA. All right, man, sounds good to me. These do retail for about $160, in case you guys were wondering. and you know, should make a pretty good difference, man. We're about to install this. I'm pretty excited because I know even though it's a little mod, you guys already know, man, as well as I do, the little mods make the biggest difference. So we're gonna see how this changes. I think with the gray, it's gonna look so much better, you know, with the darker wheels, and you know, just with all the other accents that it has. You know, see the black Hemi right there, it's just gonna flow so much better, and I can't wait to see how this thing looks, man. There it is. You guys see how it comes prepared, all here for you. Man, I can already tell. Look at that. Whew, I'm hype. I'm hype. We got them all here, and I'll just take 2 of them out for now. And as you guys can see, that's all it comes with. Should be a very simple installation, and it's gonna make a huge difference. And I'm happy that they hit me up when they did, because I was just about to tint these ones here, you know, and that's pretty much the cheaper way of going about it. You could tint them, but this is gonna be much better, and I'm happy that they hit me up, man. I'm very grateful. But as you guys can see, oh yeah, that's gonna look way better. I could already tell. I could already tell, man. Boom. All right, man. Wait, let's stop messing around. Let's get to this install. Shouldn't take too long, and we'll see how they look, man. Let's get it. So the other options that you guys have aside from these smoked ones here are the amber red, which is pretty much similar to the ones in the back there, and then you have the clear ones, which I was kind of stuck between which ones I wanted, either the smoked or the clear. Ended up going with the smoked, but you really can't go wrong with any one that you choose, because they are LED, and you are going to see quite a difference once we go ahead and get these on there. All right, so before I get started, what I'm going to do to just make it a little easier on me is I'm gonna turn that wheel and face it the other way, just give me a little extra room. But before I do that, we might as well give you guys a little cold start, you know what I'm saying, while you're here. We got the red guts on the interior with the bees on the seats rolling around. And the reason I turned it on is because you have to turn your vehicle on in order to turn the wheel, so that's why I turned it on. I'm gonna just let that run for a little while, because I don't like to turn it on and then turn it off right away. Let's see. Yeah, and as you guys can see, it just gives us a little extra room to work with. That'll do good though. Turn it off. That's good enough. Let's get right to it, man. All right, so the tools that you're gonna need is something similar to this. This is kind of big. I'm pretty sure I have a smaller one, I just can't find it, but this is gonna do. All you're gonna need to do is remove these little push pins right here to get behind that side marker. And you will need some sort of screw as well. Which one, I don't know quite yet, but I will find out right now once I get behind here. So once you do that, all you really need to do is pull that. Be careful that you don't break that off, but you just pull this back, and as you guys can see, there's a little clip here, and all you do is push down on that clip, pull it right out. Comes out fairly easily. So the other tool that you're gonna need once you get those little pull pins out and you remove this clip here is a T25. There's a couple T25 screws back there, and I don't have my wrench, so this is gonna have to work. It shouldn't be too hard. Might be a little more difficult for the back. I might need to find my wrench for the back, but as for right here, I think we can make it work. Got the first one off. Now go up here and get this second one. As you can see, it's already coming loose. Boom, so we got that off. Now we could go ahead and get this other one on there. And the way you tell if it's on the right side is the writing will be down there, and also the little plug for the clip will be down there as well. So you just put this on in there, perfect fitment, and then go ahead and screw them in. Love how simple this is. Very easy mod to take the look of your charger to the next level, guys. Got those in there. Make sure you don't over tighten them. Looks like they're perfect. Now all we got to do is put this clip back in there. Boom, you guys heard it click, and then we're good to go. You can put these pins back in, and all you do for that is push that all the way down like so, and boom. Simple as that, guys. We got the first one in. Make sure this is back behind there like that. Make sure that the holes line up. Boom, there it is. Very simple. Yes sir. Okay, you guys see it, man. Yeah, that looks a lot better. I'm liking that. Sheesh. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm hyped. I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of these, and then I'll get back with you guys in a minute. It's gonna be the same exact process. I'm gonna just turn the wheel, point it this way, and do the same exact thing. So I'm gonna get with you guys in a minute. Boom. As you guys can see, got the driver's side marker on, and I did find my wrench and my socket, so that makes it a whole lot easier. But boom, man, that thing is looking real good. Can't wait to get the backs on and then show you guys the before and after. So here's a little preview. I don't know if you guys can see from this far out, but you guys see the backs there, and then you see the front is smoked. I can't really see in the camera and tell if you guys can see that, but it looks way better, I ain't gonna lie. You guys see it? Here's the back, the front. Smoked out, looking nice, blends in well. And then here's the back, regular, real regular. Yes sir, we're moving along. All right, so we're gonna get started on the back now. Same process. Remove these pins as we did before. Make sure you don't mess your paint up. And this one is gonna be a little more interesting. I know they say they recommend that you could take this part off, but I'm gonna try to get to it without doing that. See if we can. All right, I think we'll be able to get back there. So it is the same exact process, guys. On this one, I'm just gonna remove the screws first, and then I'll remove the clip. And it is gonna be a lot easier if you guys remove that tire or peel this fender back, but I'm just gonna do it like this just to show you guys it is possible. It just takes, you know, a little squeezing in there. Right, once you get the screws out, you go ahead and just take this out like that, and it's easier to push this little pin down, or this little clip down, and pull that right out. There you guys have it, stock OEM side markers. And like I said before, this pointing down, that's how you know you got it on the right side. It'll be pretty obvious. Boom, clip that back up in there. And you guys are gonna wanna test these, you know, after each one, once you plug it back in, just to make sure it's working before you put everything back together and then realize it didn't work. I did test them, they are working, and you guys will see how they look in a minute, man, when this is all done. Boom, got that one in there. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side, just as I did before. And once that one's all installed and good to go, then I'll come back and we'll check them all out and see how they work, man. All right, boom, that was the last one. Real quick and easy. Like I said, guys, anybody can do this. It is a little more difficult here at the rear end with the tire in the way, but like I said, to make it easier on yourself, you could take the tire off, or for you standard body owners, you could peel this back. I don't know quite how it works for this one, but I'll put the link and everything in the description to Diode Dynamics. They have an install video on there for you guys, and you guys can see how it all works. But now that they're all installed, let's step back a little and see how everything looks, and see how they look with the lights on and all that. All right, you guys ready to see this? I don't know if you guys are ready, man, because it's a small mod, but like I said, it makes a huge difference, and I really like it, man. I'm hype over it. Check it out, guys. Boom. Got the smoked out side markers now. Looks way better, especially with that gray. And I've seen it on black. Go check out my boy Knockout 360. He just did the install on these as well. He has a black wide body, and man, it looks great on that as well. But man, like I said, I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now. But man, that looks good. Blends in so nice. And we're gonna get the night view of it as well, so you guys stick around, because once the sun goes down, I'm gonna bring the camera back out and show you guys how it looks at night as well. As you guys can see, it only lights up there at the top, and really there's no light on the bottom there. Boom, you can see that. One solid strip. And as you guys seen before, it was just up here where it lit up. Now as you guys can see, the LED, and it's real bright. It's real bright, it looks great. I love how it's just one strip like that, looks dope. Look at it from back here. Man, that looks amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. And like I said, man, the sun is still up, so it's gonna look way better at night. That just looks dope, man. Shout out to Diode Dynamics. Definitely killing it with these. Let's turn on the front, see how the fronts look. Boom, and as you guys can see, the fronts work as well. Got the little yellow look up in the front. Man, that's dope. That is dope. Yeah, I can't wait to see that at night. Yo, I'm hyped, man, to say the least. You guys need to go pick you some up, man. Don't sleep on these. As you guys can see, this is the before. You guys can't tell me that that don't look dope. You guys can't tell me that doesn't look 100 times better. That's the front side markers, and here's the rear. Yes, sir. No more yellow and red. You guys see it? A little night shot. The LED, I just installed these little LED things. Before and after. Real bright. Yeah, those things are bright as hell, way brighter than before. Dope. Hit them up, Diode Dynamics. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description where you guys could go pick these up. They got the smoked out ones, they got the amber red ones, and they have the clear ones. Once again, appreciate you guys, Diode Dynamics. More than satisfied with these. Exactly what I was looking for. I love the look. Perfect fit. Look at this. Look at the fit on it. Look at the fitment. Perfect OEM fitment. Goes in there perfectly, just the way the other ones did, and looks great. Looks amazing. Work well. LED. Can't go wrong, man. But Diode Dynamics, 2015 and plus, they just dropped these, and they have a whole lot of other stuff as well, so go hit them up. I'll put the link in the description. It's just diodedynamics.com, but I'll put the direct link to these specific ones for everybody that's 2015 plus, looking for the smoked out or amber red or the clear ones, but it's all LED. As you guys can see right there, see the clear, the OEM amber red, and then the smoked. You can't even see the smoked. It's just blacked out. There's another view of it right there. Dope. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. As you can see, looks super dope. I'm more than satisfied, as I said. Shout out to Diode Dynamics once again. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate the opportunity. Look forward to working with you guys more in the future. And go hit them up, guys, because sheesh, just take a look at it. You know, that is a must. That's a must have. You can't be rolling around with the stock, you know, regular lights. You got to get the LEDs. Got to either get the, you could get any three of them look dope as hell. I preferred the smoked. The clear ones look dope too. I was stuck between the two. Ended up going with the smoked, obviously, because I just like the smoked out look better. I'm gonna do the same thing to the rear ones, so you know, looks fire, looks fire. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what I can improve on. Tell me what you guys want to see next, and I'll go ahead and get it done for you guys. All links to everything I use and recommend are in the description, as well as these side markers here. Also, the links to all my social medias are in there as well, so if you guys want to follow me on any of my social platforms, go ahead and do that. It's all there for you to do. But like I said, that's gonna do it for this one. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate it so much. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.